Hey girlies, do you love adventures like me? If yes, come along with me and my friends on our trip to Mystic Mountains. Don't miss it.
You got large jam. There's so much lights. Everybody got asked who the look slippers around the back. That them
Mr. Joe na can't post it. Mr. Listen to Joe.
Alright.
So after months of planning trip, the girl them finally, the trip make it out of the group chat. Though, where the girl them head to? Mystic Mountains. Where is that? Right, don't watch this so. Come follow us on our journey with Colors of Kira.
Can we go over here? For smallers. We'll go. Alright. Alright. Lean back. I am at Mystic Mountain. This is the slow door for me liking. It's not more up our reach. Nothing mad. You join up the video them. Because nobody know they have a video. This is scary. Don't look that. Whoa. Hi girlies. For smaller.
So we reach Mystic Mountains now. Checking out everything good. So we decided to we first ride I gotta be the bobsled. So we inline, the guys them strap in and everything. So them start the machine and we are going. It's like a train ride, it's nice and smooth. So we are say, yeah, this nice see make we start our soul for first ride. They know nothing too hectic. So we did there and we are riding with the breeze nice and me I enjoy myself and I want to stop and I want to take picture but them tell me the rule. Anyway guys, when me start drive now, I say, yeah man, me start say no, this is something I shake, so me I say find a destination 6 this now. So me start little bit panicking, but me don't want to get them know. So me say, alright, me see what go. Me start fling to the left and fling to the right. So me can't understand. Me I say, no sir. Only thing me hear, why? Camilla, John, Maxi, me the girl them start a ball, I call out everybody name. So me I say, Lord God no, the girl them a panic and have heart attack. We see things are sweet right now, everything smooth. Me say, me I look to the left, to the right. Me I say, Lord God, if me fling out of this now, at least me get a broken or a broke foot, but me can't come out, she come dead. So we said me go drop on now. Me just set up myself, prepare, Me say, only thing me here, why? Jesus, say, I'm gonna join that. And them ask, Camilla, them, me say, Lord God, then the trap broke off like, with Camilla. What go on, yes or no, because everybody start panic now, because the madness.
In the sky, everything up here. So we send our life to our people. That's what we did. We barely moved for a while. It's coming like surgery. Afraid to slow down and close the eyes. It's coming like, oh, it's not surgery. You feel like it just shake? Tapping eyes now. The backside. If we go down, we go down together. Exactly, it's not that far down. I mean, a few cuts and bruises and broken bones.
I feel much better when we close the eyes. I feel more relaxed.
I don't lie. No, for real.
You afraid?
No.
I'm afraid of heights, Afraid of heights.
They look powerful. John! Shut up! I'm just wondering